Welcome back to Lamb's Cryptoverse. Listen, we all make mistakes, especially me. But in this video, I'd like to show you two separate indicators I used to show that we had a short-term top in equities as well as Bitcoin and crypto overall. And then you can see how the market did afterwards. So let's get started. I put out these two, I'm going to show you my screens now. I put out these two presentations. One's called Bitcoin Sentiment Turns a Bit Bearish. And I focused on the Crypto Fear Index, which was topping out at 45, which is near greed. And I pointed out different ones. This is a different version of that. This was greedy. And here's another version from Augmento. And this one here was very worrisome. The altcoin index actually hit one of the highest levels in history, meaning that altcoins were strong and investors were speculating. And then I put out the put-to-call ratio, which was also, from a contrarian point of view, was saying that the market was topping. Then the other video I put out was a similar video, but for equities. And I was showing similar indices. For example, I was showing that the equities fear greed index was either at neutral or at greed. And then I showed similar type of charts. Like this is the internet search trends. Bear market. Very few people are looking at bear market as a Google search word at this time. And from a contrarian point of view, that's bearish. And then I looked at futures positioning on the VIX, which was scary. Maybe I'll just show that one. Basically, this is a little complicated, but it basically was showing that speculators were shorting the VIX, meaning that they thought the equity market could continue rising. And what happens, of course, is the opposite, because this is a contrarian index. So let's go to some screenshots and see what happened. So since I put out those videos on August 15th, and this is a live chart, the fear greed index from the crypto one went from a high of 45 down to the 20s, low 20s. That's like fear. We're in fear again because Bitcoin prices declined. And you can see here on Glassnode that around that time that I put out those two presentations, those two videos, that around mid-August, we had a high of 20,514 in Bitcoin. And since then, we've been constantly declining. And so these videos showed that we had a short-term high. And what's really concerning, and you could see my recent video of today, I just did a video showing that when we had this increase in prices, a lot of whales were selling. And that's another video. In that video, I show this chart here and I explain what's going on. But today's video, I just wanted to highlight that these presentations here, these two presentations on equities and Bitcoin, showed that we were turning a bit bearish, meaning from a contrarian point of view, in mid-August, I was seeing signs that investors were getting greedy, meaning that the market could be topping out. Again, I make lots of mistakes. We're taking this crypto journey together, but this is in this regard, I was correct in terms of equities and Bitcoin topping out in August. Again, thank you all for listening, and please give us a like and subscribe. And if you like these videos, or want to see more of these videos, or want to see something else, if you want to see me analyze crypto projects, please put that in the comments. Thank you again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.